Dr. Singh, what helps you make the treatment process more efficient?
The ability to do that stems from the fact that we mentioned the blueprint. It all comes back down to the blueprint. Once we decide what the final result is, whether it includes implants or not, whether it includes full bite reconstruction or not, we're capable of doing all of the services in under one roof and concurrently. So the same appointment can be utilized to do several different processes at the same time. While the person is frozen or anesthetized, they don't have to come back to see different dentists on different days for different procedures. Makes it a lot more efficient for the patient, and it makes it a lot more efficient in getting to the final result.